All right, now that our logo and favicon is set up, the next thing we're going to want to do is start adding and editing content on our site. As you can see, there's a bunch of different links to different pages on our website. These pages can include any information that you would want your customer to know, such as terms of service, shipping, about you, press, all that kind of stuff. So we're going to click on the About Us page, and from here you're going to see the page loads. Every page in here is pre-filled with what's called lorem ipsum or dummy text. Basically, that's just filler. So what we can do is you can customize that by just clicking the About link, or excuse me, the Edit link. And then once you click that, you can then just start typing in any information that you'd want. You can just, by pressing Enter, obviously it would drop to a new line. Pretty simple editing features are built in. So once you get done and you're happy with what it says in there, you can scroll down to the very bottom. One thing too to note is on your text formats, you probably want to change that always to be filtered HTML. You do not have to be an HTML expert by any means. It's just gonna, by changing that, it's just gonna make your text appear a little cleaner. Don't worry about any of those sections there, and then just click Save. And once it saves, you'll see right there that your content has now been changed to what you wanted. Obviously, this is not what you would want in a finished product, but feel free to add information about your company. And if you scroll back down to the footer section, you'll see that all the rest of those pages work exactly the same as the About Us page. So by clicking on those, you'd be able to edit and then type in any information that you wanted. Well, now let's say that you actually wanted to add a page that doesn't exist there. So to do that, you simply can go to Content, Manage Content, and then you'll see all the content listed there. But another thing you can do is simply click Add Content button. On this page, you'll see that there's different content that you can create. The one we're going to want to create right now is called a basic page. So click that, and then you just give it a title. We'll just give it a title and call it Policy. And then again, you can information that you'd want about that page here. And then again, make sure filtered is your text format selected, which it defaults to. And then all the sections below you don't really need to worry about here. And there we go. So now we've created a page on our site. In a later video down the road here, we're going to actually show you how to provide a link to that page in the footer section or in the menu section of above. But right now, just know that that's how you would add all your pages to your site.